Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Access and pointing it to the database file you will use. This gets you into the environment immediately. Once done, make a quick backup copy so you can revert if something goes wrong, because changes are often irreversible. Make sure Access trusts the folder, or you will see blocked content. Enabling macros is necessary for automated forms or VBA. You now have Access ready. Next, you build or open the objects you will work with. You should construct tables that model real entities, pick sensible field names, and correct data types so queries behave predictably. Once tables exist, establish relationships and enforce referential integrity so data stays consistent. This prevents orphan records and explains why lookups return correct results. Create indexes on fields used in joins or searches to keep performance smooth. Use Datasheet View to spot data issues quickly. Then switch to Design View to add validation, default values, and meaningful input masks for reliable input. You now create queries to extract and manipulate your data. Use parameter queries for dynamic filtering and test action queries on a copy to avoid accidental loss. Then build forms that bind controls to fields so data entry is faster and less error-prone. Add validation and navigation to guide users. Finally, make reports that group and sort data for presentation or printing. If something breaks, compact and repair the database and restore the backup copy. That single troubleshooting step fixes many corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.